Hi everyone, welcome to Networkings. So today we are going to discuss how you can avail 3 days trial for all our courses. So let's discuss about the program first. What is All Access Pass? So in All Access Pass, we have created almost 50 plus courses from networking, network security, cloud security, cyber security, DevOps, and very soon we are going to add the DevSecOps also. Okay, so the best thing about networkings, we are giving you the best trainers from the world, those who are industry experts, and they are going to conduct the trainings. So even my content of CCNA, CCNP is a package, like it's a bundle where you will get my content plus all the material. Okay, so when you will get the 3 days trial, so you will have full access, not just one video or like two video. Like if you sign up to any trial, maybe Amazon Prime, Netflix or anything, you will be able to watch only one or two episode, and after that you have to make a payment. But here in our trial, you have full access of all the content, including notes, labs, everything. Okay, so labs means we will not be giving you the lab access trial. Okay, which is obviously I can show you that yes, this is also available. If you guys are interested that I'm looking for a lab, so you will be able to uh, you have an option basically that you want to go for a lab or not, or you can do lab in your laptop with GNS3 and EVNG. But if you are looking for advanced courses like SD-WAN or maybe Palo Alto or any advanced courses, then definitely then you can enroll for the lab access. But we are discussing about All Access Pass. So you will get all our CCNA, CCNP. Okay. So it has CCNP security content, Palo Alto firewall, checkpoint firewall, FortiGate firewall, F5 load balancer, and it doesn't have just 5 hours or 10 hours of content. It has our all live batches content. Okay, so whatever live batch we have taken in the past, maybe 2 months back, or we always make sure we update the latest content. And now you can see these are the notes by Rohan. So in the 3 days trial, you will be able to see the notes, you will be able to see all the videos, because we believe that you need to experience the quality first before you enroll for the program. Okay, because everybody is saying in the market they are industry expert, everyone is saying like we have a lot of courses, but how you will come to know what is the right like training partner for you? So then you can only by checking their content, and that's why we come up with the idea that let's give them 3 days trial without any credit card. And but yes, you have to book a meeting with our counselor. You need to discuss about your roadmap, what exactly you want to do in your life, and then after that you will have full access. I know that you cannot do everything in 3 days, and that is not what we meant to. So we want to share 3 days trial so that you can experience the content that what we have uploaded. Okay, how you are going to learn, you can make a roadmap. So when you have 3 days trial, so you can create a roadmaps. Okay, like we have already created a lot of roadmaps. Let me show you. Yeah. So in some of, yeah, so this is a famous roadmap, which is quite popular in the industry, that everyone is going with CCNA, CCNP firewall, and then they can go for data center security. So then you need to understand what's your career goal. So if your career goal is to get into network security job, then obviously you have to start with CCNA, CCNP, and then Palo Alto firewall is a good course. Additionally, after that you can get for like CCNP security. So all 5 to 6 courses, if you learn in depth, it will take like 6 months minimum to understand CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, and additional 3 to 4 months for CCNP security. And then you can like have very good knowledge on network security, and then you can apply for the network security jobs. Because if you go and check any job in the market today, so, and by the way, why we came up with this idea, that why we want to give you so many courses, because you don't know what kind of job you are applying for and what skills they are hiring for. Okay, so so suppose if I want to get into network security. Okay, so if I search network security, I have 2 years experience into basic technical support and all. So when I'm going to apply for this job, maybe Move 8, it's a good company in Chennai. Yeah, so it's in Chennai. So they are giving up to 8 lakhs package, and what they are asking that you should have the next generation firewall knowledge, you should have SSL IPsec knowledge, you should have the TCP dump and all. So means you need to have some knowledge on CCNA, CCNP basic stuff, and plus additionally you should have you can see CCNA is preferable, and you need to have some firewalls knowledge and TCP IP OSI model in detail, and that you will get in our, yeah, you can see the topic here with what is mentioned SSL. So this is where we have in the FortiGate in every firewall batch what we are delivering. So in every firewall batch you will be able to learn the SSL part, whether it is FortiGate, whether it is Palo Alto, whether it is Checkpoint. We have ASA, we have FTD, and we have almost every firewall. Even the Sophos firewall is included. Okay, so then the next, suppose now you want to get into cybersecurity. So what we recommend you that you should go for CCNA Windows Server Linux. So CCNA will help you to understand the network basics, fundamentals. Linux will help you to have a very good hands-on experience on the command line of Linux, because when you become an ethical hacker, you need to run a lot of tools, and mostly all tools work on Linux. That's why we ask everyone to go for CCNA, Linux, and Active Directory, which is Windows Server. So in our plan, you need to start with CCNA. After that you can learn MCSA, okay, and then we have the Linux. Okay, so this is the Red Hat RHCSA Linux. Okay, and so this is how you create a base of cybersecurity, because everywhere you go, everybody is selling their certified ethical hacking, or maybe pen testing, penetration testing, or maybe some random any cybersecurity courses which are not the international standard. But CCNA is the international certification, MCSA is the international certification. It is not it's almost outdated, but still the content is relevant, because half of the companies are still using Windows servers, and it will give you a very good base to learn Azure. Okay, once you learn the Windows servers, Active Directory, you will be able to implement Active Directory in the cloud also. Again, Linux, we are Red Hat partner, we are CompTIA partner, we are EC Council official partner. So after doing these 3-4 programs, then we recommend you certified ethical hacking, CompTIA, pen test, CompTIA, CYSA, and then we have CSSP. We have some another content which is CSSP and all. Okay, so CH version 12. Okay, so all these things are there, and now you will have a full-fledged career on cybersecurity, and day by day we are adding a lot of courses. Recently we have added the SC 200 content, which will be uploading as soon as possible. So means every year, if you take all our this all access pass, so you will not just get these courses, but in future, in next 1 year, whatever courses we are going to create, you will be getting that courses as well. And as I said earlier, you will be getting CCNA, CCNP, all my content for CCNA and Core and RC. And if you learn CCNA and Core and RC, you will 100%, almost 100% ready for the CCA exam. And after that, you can contact networking to join the CCI live lab batches also. Okay, and this package is only for the people who are in the industry from long time, and the people who are not in the core IT job, like if you are not network engineer, okay, but you do not have time, you have rotational shifts, you work for technical BPOs and all. Okay, so then you can also consider this package, which will help you to learn with flexibility. You do not have to be time bounded with the live batches. Okay, so this is the thing. So this package contains cybersecurity, like as I mentioned, and so ignore this pricing. This is for our live batches. If you want to experience all our live batches, then we have a plan called Live Access Pass. You can contact for that also. But as of now, I want you to experience. This video is not for the live batches. This is for all access pass. The people who want to practice, or they want to experience the content for 3 days. Okay, so now after that we have cloud security, we have AWS content, we have Azure content, we have GCP content. All the content is there. So normally people ask us when they enroll, what courses they should start. So I would recommend you to follow this roadmap. If you are into networking or wish to get into network security, follow this roadmap. So if I'll be at your position, I'll start with CCNA. And additionally, I will start with CCNP after CCNA. Okay. And or you can go for two courses also. Like I'll go for CCNA plus I will also plan my career into maybe cloud security. So I'll go for AWS solution architect. So first 2 months, I'm going to learn CCNA plus AWS. And from after 2 months, here I'm going to learn the CCNP. I'll start learning CCNP, but in the second track, okay, so you can divide your week like 3 days networking, 3 days cloud security, and after AWS you can learn our AWS network specialist. Again, so after CCNP you can learn Palo Alto firewall, and after AWS network specialist you can learn AWS network security. So it means within 6 months you will have a good knowledge on network security plus you will have a good knowledge on cloud security. The people who are in the networking and wish they want to get into cloud security or maybe DevOps, so we still recommend you this package, because if you are already into network security, you can revise your content from the network security courses, plus you can start learning all our batches where you want to experience like cloud security, go with the Azure 104, 500, 700, and easily if you are on 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs, you can easily jump into cloud security with more than 20 to 25 lakh CTC. That's why we have written over here 25 LPA, but it is again, a fresher cannot directly go to 25 LPA. They need to learn, they need to have a little experience of 2 to 3 years, 4 years. Okay, so because I've seen my students who joined us when they had just 3-4 lakhs CTC, within 3-4 years, they are on 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay, with the same all access package or live batches. So then we have DevOps plan. So if you wish to join a DevOps, so people ask us, sir, where are all these batches, Docker, container, Ansible? Because DevOps is a full-fledged program, and this is DevOps from Sumit, and another DevOps we have also added by Rahul. So it means some courses where you will get more than 100 hours of content from multiple trainers, because Rahul is also a DevOps engineer. Sumit is also our DevOps engineer. So whenever we conduct live batches, those live batches will be added here. So we make sure you get the latest content every time. And I'm sure we are not a company who just create a course and for 7 years, 5 years, we do not update our content. Very frequently we are adding our content. Very frequently we are changing our content. Okay, so you can see the DevOps full batch. Okay, so we are working on all access pass where we are giving the title to the topics also. But some students say that, sir, do not change the titles. We want to go with the full-fledged by dates, and automatically you can make your notes and just put a comment here. Okay, this is this topic and all. But yes, we are working on the titles where you will understand about Docker, container, everything. Okay, so because we keep changing our content, that's why we do not get too much time to change the titles and all. But yes, if you previously check the Sumit content, here we have already added the topic name also. I think in DevOps is pending, but in some of the courses it is already done. So my team is already working at the backend. So you can see this batch of DevOps has all name. So I am shell scripting EC2, networking EC2, S3 bucket, Docker, lab perform, Kubernetes. So this is a full-fledged batch, which means that an engineer who is a DevOps engineer, he is giving his all knowledge of whatever he has learned in the past. You are getting all his content, not just we are creating according to the certification. He has given all his notes, all his content. The same goes with the any other content also. Like suppose you want to learn DevOps, DevSec and DevCore of what is getting popular in the market, DevNet. So this is all the DevNet content. You can see it's a very long batch what we have created so far. Okay, so means our courses are very in depth. Okay, you just need to experience, and for that I would recommend you all, because every month we will only give trial access to only 100 students. So I'm sharing the link nwkings.com/meeting. So you need to fill a form, and automatically a Zoom meeting, what we call Microsoft Teams meeting, will be booked for you, and you need to connect with a counselor. Okay, like I'll show you. If I start booking, so suppose my timing is 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. because we work from 10 to 6. If you are not okay, you can book for the Saturday. Okay, so you can try maybe 11th or 4th. Okay, Saturday I'll active if you cannot see here. Okay, so yeah, so I want to come at around 5 p.m. today, suppose. Okay, and then I'll just add my details and all, and then I confirm. So my meeting is getting booked. Yeah, so now my meeting is booked with Vishal. So just you will get a link on your email. So and please add your correct phone number. So Vishal is going to contact you, and then he is going to give you all access past 3 days trial, and plus he will ask you all the details, where are you working and all. Why we are doing this? We can directly give you the link also, but we do not want our content to be consumed by the people who do not value. So we are only welcoming people who are very much highly interested in this package. And also the Dussehra and Diwali, all big festivals are coming. So you will be getting definitely a good discounts on our all access membership. So by the way, we are the only company in India who is working on all access pass. There are a lot of companies outside India like A Cloud Guru, a lot of companies, but we are the only company who is bringing the best people from the market and creating a membership. In future, the more and more people will join this membership, we are going to slowly reduce the price. As of now, our expenses are very high. We are a bootstrap company. We are not a funded company. So obviously, the people who are already our student, you need to support networkings, because anyhow you have to learn. You have to learn because you want to earn more. So the more you learn, the more you earn. So simple is that. So we are bringing the best content, best modules. We are working on day and night for adding a lot of courses in this package, and you can go, and this is the best content, real life troubleshooting. I recommend all of you who are into networking, so please watch this content. This is my friend Gurpreet. So he has already created a very good content. This is 100% troubleshooting videos where we will teach you how to troubleshoot if any problem comes. And this package has a lot of content. It is not just 2 hours, 3 hours content. Okay, it has almost, you can see 15 to 20 videos which are almost of 1 hour. So 15 to 20 hours of switching, 15 to 20 hours of routing, and we are keep uploading the latest content. So once you are part of networkings, and if you are a strong, like you are a hardworking guy, a strong learner, so I don't feel like you have to look any courses anywhere. This is the right platform for you. And if I'll be the student, it's not that I'm the founding member, that's why I'm saying, but even if I'm a student, if I join networkings, I know my courses, I know my product and services, that they are the best in the market today in terms of quality. So as I said, we are also a startup, we are a bootstrap. There are a lot of things which we need to improve in the live batches, or maybe sometimes batches are not timely scheduled, or maybe there is a 10-minute delay. Sometimes trainers are not. So in live batches always have a problem, because there are a lot of trainers. We need to arrange trainings. It's a very complex task to run a tech, which is where you are bringing the top IT expert. If I hire a normal trainers from the market, then I don't have problem. The problem comes when you hire the best people, because their timing is a big problem. Still, we are trying to conduct a live batches, but I highly recommend all of you to join all access past 3 days trial and see the changes. I know within 3 days you cannot able to learn a lot of things, but in 3 days you will be able to judge networkings that it is the right platform for you or not. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. So I'll sharing this link in the description. Bye bye.